Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Planta, Plant and Garden Care app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Planta is a comprehensive plant and garden care app designed to assist both beginners and experienced gardeners in maintaining healthy plants. The app provides personalized care schedules, watering reminders, fertilizing tips, and pest control advice tailored to a wide range of indoor and outdoor plants. It also features AI-powered plant identification and diagnostic tools to help users quickly identify plant species and detect issues early. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users find Planta's intuitive interface easy to navigate, appreciating the convenience of automated care reminders and detailed plant care instructions. The AI identification tool is praised for its accuracy, while the gardening tips and problem-solving guides help users improve their plant care knowledge. Customizable notifications and garden tracking features further enhance the user experience. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users note that the free version offers limited features, and full access to premium care guides, reminders, and AI diagnostics requires a subscription. Additionally, a few users mentioned that some plants in their gardens were missing from the database or that certain care advice was generic. In summary, the Planta app may be worth using if you want an easy-to-use, AI-powered assistant to help manage your plant and garden care routines efficiently. However, if you prefer completely free apps or need more specialized gardening tools, this app might not fully satisfy your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.